Okay, so I thought this would make a good video. I got a Dewalt trimmer here, and what happened was one side of the string broke off, and it was too far down inside there. I couldn't get it. I was able to pull it up, but I couldn't get it through the hole. Okay, so I had to take this part off. Okay, so this was a bear to get off. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna have to do this again. This part is the bottom. You can tell this is the bottom because it's kind of squared off here, you know, and it fits around this thing here. See, the other side is perfectly round. So that's how you can tell this is the bottom. It's kind of square on the edges. So it fits around this thing. But you know, how do you get that off? That's why I wanted to do this video. I had this come loose a few weeks ago. So I just happened to know about it, but I didn't know how to get it off, right? So what I discovered was, these gaps here, if you stick a long thing in here and then pry up, then you can get that up. And you got to hit both sides a couple times slowly and pry it up, you know. So that's how you get this thing out of there. So normally the string doesn't break off like that, right? But I just happen to have one side break off. So since we're here, I'll show you how to put this on. So this is the side, the edges are kind of crooked. I don't know what you would call that, a rectangle or. So you just kind of fit that in there to where it catches, push down on it. Okay. Line up your holes. Yeah. Have to line up these holes with the holes in here. So where is that? There's the hole right there. So just line these up. Bend your string out so straight, so it'll go straight through. Yeah. And it's just hit and miss, and kind of hope you get it right. Okay, so I got lucky that time. Usually it takes a minute or two. So this string is a little thicker than what you're supposed to use on this trimmer, but it seems to work. It's just a little tight. Pull it out to where it's even. I can't use a full 25 feet. 25 feet won't wind on it. I think I went 15 feet or so. And then put this thing back on. This trimmer head, this is their new and improved one. If you run it along the ground too much, it's gonna get shredded, so try to keep it off the ground. You can see here I'm hitting the ground some. So first one I tore up pretty quick. Okay, And then just wind her up. You know, you gotta hold it. String gets all tangled. You just gotta fight with the string. And it's supposed to do what it's supposed to do on the inside, but probably because the string is a little, just a hair too thick. I think it's a 0.9, Husqvarna 0.9. I bought a big roll of it cheap. I think at Tractor Supply. That other string worked great, but it broke a lot. This doesn't seem to break. Okay, that's all there is to it. See ya. Bye.